Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video you will be finding a helpful product for your household. So this is a hanger guys, and I did research many of the items available on Flipkart, Amazon or any of the retail stores, but I could not find the product, the type of the quality of this particular hanger. I was using this hanger quite a bit earlier, but in between I was in need of the hanger, but I purchased it from outside and finally disappointed. So this is the product which I purchased from IKEA, and the product name is called as Sprutig, Spruttig. Sprutig is a product type of hanger, and this hanger you will find it in IKEA. Maybe the IKEA will manufacture it on your nearest area. Maybe it basically because it is made in India, but the similar type of item you will find it in your IKEA store as well. Okay, and the price that is MRP that mentioned here is 181 rupees, which is approximately $2.2, but we got it for less than $2. It is around 1.8, around 149 rupees. Earlier, when the IKEA store was newly built in Hyderabad store, we got it for even 80 rupees earlier, but right now it's around 150 rupees. Because of the demand, they are trying to increase the price little bit. Okay, but the quality of the product, you get around 10 hangers for 149 rupees. So each hanger cost you around 15 rupees. Okay, which is even 10 cents, right? Around 10 cents. So we will open the product and we will see how the quality is. Okay, let me quickly open this. I used other type of hangers as well for my wardrobe, but end of the day I found this product little better than other, not little, even quite better than other. So so I went again to the IKEA store to purchase this item. Okay, the item that I'm showing you here will be definitely will be helpful for your household guys. Okay, that is the reason I am creating videos for you guys, to make sure that you guys purchase better item or items which is helpful for your household. Okay, see this. I mean, the thickness here is good. It's around 1.5 centimeter of thickness, right? I'll read little bit of information about it, whatever it is available, which will help you guys. Width is 39 centimeter. So you see this width, right? This is 39 centimeter, and which is literally good for one of the hanging a shirt maybe, right? It's quite good, and you will get this type of bending curves over here. You can definitely plug in your additional clothes if you want here. Okay, the width is good. The width is 39 centimeter, and you see this, there will be logos here they have given. There are few, I don't know why they gave it, but there is the name itself mentioned here, Sprutig, and made in India, IKEA. This is what the product is guys, and I really like this product. The reason is because the build quality and also the price. Okay, so this is a must-have product for your household, and for the price that we pay, 150 rupees, around $2, this is quite good, and you will get 10 hanger items for one. I got two because I needed around 20 hangers. Okay, so I got two, so I paid around 300 rupees for both of them. 149 rupees guys. The purchase link for this product will be available in description section. You can find it. I will try to put IKEA as well as Amazon product purchase link. Go to there, go to the description, and maybe you can avail that. I believe this video is helpful and the product is useful for you. And the guys, if you have any question, put that in the comment section. I'll try to respond as much as possible. Like the video if you really like the content, and also subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.